Hey guys, welcome back to another scintillating English quiz. And this time, this would be an image quiz. You will be given only 3 seconds to guess the correct word out of two options, obviously. Let's begin. What is this called? A shoehorn or shoe tree? Correct, a shoehorn. This is an image of a bobby pin or hairpin. Absolutely correct, bobby pin. What is this called? A staple remover or tack puller? Correct. A staple remover. Is this a bottle opener or can opener? A bottle opener. What is this called? A door wedge or store stop? Stop. This is a zip tie or a cable pin. A zip tie. This is a seam ripper or thread cutter. A seam ripper. Absolutely perfect. This one is a thimble or finger guard. A thimble. This is an awl or bread awl. Awl. Correct. This is window wiper or squeezy. Perfect. Squeezy. What is this called? A corkscrew or bottle opener? A corkscrew. This is a soup spoon or ladle. Perfect. Ladle. This is a pot holder or trivet. Trivet. Absolutely perfect. Now, what is this called? A grommet or eyelet? Grommet. What is this called? Furniture caster or furniture wheel? Perfect. Furniture caster. Is this pincers or wire cutters? This is a pair of pincers. What is this called? A nail clipper or nail puller? Nail puller. Is this an eyelet or grommet? Perfect. Now this is eyelet. What is this called? A pegboard hook or wall hook? A pegboard. And finally, what is this called? A carpet beater or feather duster? A carpet beater. Do let me know your score in the comment section. Bye bye.